And according to the CDC, more than 16 million people have received at least one dose in the U.S. for the coronavirus vaccine since mid-December, but none of them have been children.
Interesting. The FDA has not yet authorized the shots for anyone under 16 years old. NewsNation correspondent Marky Martin in Dallas tonight with more on what Pfizer and Moderna are doing next.
We know in recent weeks, Pfizer and Moderna have opened up their COVID-19 vaccine trials to include children. Can tell you Moderna right now is asking for thousands of willing participants to come forward and take part. And today I spoke with an Oklahoma mother who is taking both of her sons to get their first dose and possibly their first placebo tomorrow.
Man, if my boys were old enough, I would have figured out a way to get them in there to get that shot when I went, but they're not.
Dr. Courtney Bratton lives in Ada, Oklahoma. The optometrist is a wife and mother of 3, a daughter in college, and 2 boys in junior high, Logan and Tyler, who are 13 and 14 years old.
Around fall break or so, the numbers started getting really, really high, and we pulled the boys out and brought them home, and that was a nightmare.
Like every family, pandemic life has been a roller coaster, juggling her medical practice and the boys' education. Dr. Bratton is halfway through her COVID shots, and when Moderna announced it was looking for 3,000 kids between the ages of 12 and 17 to volunteer for its adolescent trial, she said enrolling hers was a no-brainer.
When that opportunity came up, I was like, I didn't even ask them. I'm signing them up, and I'll let them know afterwards because I don't want to miss this opportunity.
On its website, Moderna lays out in great detail the trial description, eligibility criteria, and the locations that are recruiting. Currently, there are only 10 sites in 8 states where children can take part. Oklahoma City is one of them and drivable from Bratton's home.
I think what I'm most nervous about is them getting the placebo. At the same time, if we didn't enter this study, they wouldn't get it.
The CDC says studies consistently show that adolescents and young adults are susceptible to COVID, but that the case numbers aren't as high or as severe compared to adults. Pediatricians across the country applauding both Pfizer and Moderna for expanding their trials.
So that way we can test it in a diverse group of children and monitor their immune response and make sure that the vaccine is safe and effective.
Dr. Bratton says her oldest is excited and her youngest was a bit skeptical about being a guinea pig until he learned about the added bonus to possible immunity. Volunteers get paid to the tune of about $90 per visit.
And he's like, oh, I get paid? And so he's all excited about it. He's like, okay, well, all I gotta do is go get a shot and answer some questions and get a payday. So he's already planning on what he's gonna spend his money on, so we'll see.
Bratton tells me she and the kids are gonna hop in the car first thing tomorrow morning and hit the road to go get that first dose. And I actually grew up in Ada, so I can tell you that's about an hour-and-a-half drive to Oklahoma City. The boys will then get their second dose 28 days later and be monitored for about a year. Bratton says it is their best shot at getting life back to how they once knew it. Reporting in Dallas, Marky Martin, NewsNation.